Here's a highlight video of my Filofax Classic Croc Organiser unboxing. Enjoy! I am going to be unboxing a Filofax personal size organizer. I'm going to open it along with you. So without further ado, let's just get started. Now, I did have a quick sneak peek of this when it first arrived a few weeks back, but I am going to have a reaction to it at the same time as you. So this has been on my wish list for a while, so it's something that I've always wanted even before I was a Filofax ambassador. So as an ambassador, I do get Filofax products to use and experience and then share with you how I use them in my planning, habit tracking, well-being and budgeting. And then if you aren't following me yet on Instagram, do follow me there at Mariane Cresp, because that's where I do a lot of daily posts, reels and stories, and you will see a lot of my Filofax planners on there. Now, I am Mariane, and through my planning, habit tracking and well-being and budgeting, I hope you can get some inspiration. Use your planner not just as a productivity tool, but also as a way to find some self-care. Now, all the details I will have in the description below. So this is how the package comes in. It does come in a white box like this. That's how you will see it. It does have a sticker there, so you know it will tell you the name of the Filofax. All right, so make sure this is coming out the right way. So a lot of the Filofax that you will get come in this beautiful gray box with gold. Can you see it? If you did want to give this as a gift to somebody or a gift to yourself, then it comes in a beautifully packaged box right here. And so all you need to do is, if it's a gift, probably, put a nice little ribbon around it. So there we go. Are we ready? Are we ready, everybody? It's covered in this fabric-like tissue. So that's 2 sets of packaging around it. As you can see, the corners of the boxes aren't damaged at all. So I'm just going to put that there. And again, it's covered in this tissue-like fabric, so then it doesn't get scratched. Drum roll. And it is the Filofax Classic Croc Organizer in chestnut. Another plastic packaging around it. Here we go. Let's remove all of these packaging and pop it on the floor. So this is how it comes. It's got the little paper label around it, leather, and this one is dated inserts that come inside. Pretty, so pretty. Ooh, love the dark chocolate brown. Yes, so pretty, so pretty. Very fally, yes. So let's close it first. So this is soft textured croc effect. So this is a cropped effect, crafted luxury Italian calf leather. And then the binding, and it's got the Filofax embossing at the bottom there, and that's the back. And then it's got dark brown thread stitching around the edges, and it's a snap closure. So this is how it looks. It is a snap closure. Let's open her up, and then it has this little zip cover here, so I'm presuming so it doesn't scratch that other side. Classic Croc personal Italian calf leather, gold embossing on there. So let's have a look at the zipper, so you can put some coins in there. It has 1 pen loop, and I love it because I'll do a pen test here because it's elasticized, so we'll see if it fits the pen that I use. At the back, it's got a slip pocket, and there's the lining. And this one has the one open pocket right here, so you can pop in documents, your notes, or your money. Let me quickly just take this bit off. Let's have a look at the rings, because I know a lot of Filofax or ring planners do take note of the quality of the rings. So this one, there is no gap. Let's take the plastic sheeting. Okay, so this comes with a nice brown ruler or page marker, so you've got inches on one side and then you've got the centimeters on the other. And so now I do swap out my planner inserts. I don't use the Filofax planner inserts. But if you get this, it is available in, this one is still the 2023 planner. So when I got this, I think the release of the 2024 wasn't available yet. So I'll let you know, the 2024, I think in the Australian site is not up there yet, but it is on the Filofax US and UK site. So you get a week on 2 pages. So you've got this plastic dashboard or sheeting there. You'll get a 2023 planner, and then you've got personal information pages here, national information. So for those of you that haven't yet purchased any Filofax, a lot of them do come with planner inserts ready to use. So this is week spread. So you've got horizontal layout, and then January to December 2023. You've got blank note pages here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cream divided tabs. And then you've got a to-do, contact, line paper, grid paper. And then you've got the line paper in blue, green, and pink. Left hand side, 1 vertical slip. Oh, and it's got the slip pocket at the side as well. 1 expandable zip pocket, expandable only by that much there. So one side is expandable and then the other is flat. So it will hold a little bit of coins in there without the front cover getting too bulky. For me, I don't put a lot of coins in there. I'd probably put some flat washi tape stickers, little sticker sheets in there, any receipts that I get when I'm shopping out and about. And then, of course, I'm thinking, it says it has 7 card pockets. And I'm going, where are the pockets? There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, I told you I'm reacting to this the same as you. So there's the ring mechanism. It is quite sturdy. For me, I can feel I'm bending the ring binder. I shouldn't, but yeah, it's quite sturdy. It is a lot thicker. I'll show you the difference. This is the Molden Filofax in the personal in the color ochre, and the ring mechanism is different. See how this one screws, but see how it is just that. And yes, the leather is a little bit thicker than the lining, but this one, this cover here makes the metal a lot stronger than just that one. So this seems like it's a thinner mechanism, but this one has that metal cover. See how it's a lot thicker? So I did take the planner inserts out because I will probably swap them around. So it's also got a top opening envelope. Now I am being mindful to open the ring mechanism through with these because I do open them there and I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't, so please don't come at me, Filofax aficionados, enthusiasts. So I am currently in my special edition Molden in the charcoal, so I'll probably be swapping out my planner inserts today so I can use this for the new week. Those rings on the Crocs are removed. Are they? Are they? Ooh, that is exciting news. That's good to know. Thank you. See, I love to experience all these different planners that come my way. We talked about the Italian calf leather. It's got the wallet pocket in here for the kids' notes, school notes, any receipts or anything like that. It's got the vertical slip pocket, 1 expandable zip pocket on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. It has 7 card wallets and the slip pocket. Okay, now I use a Pentel Energel pen. This is the size of the barrel and it's a pretty standard size. This one is the friction pen. The Muji pens, they're around about the same. And then also a Zebra mild liner. And now let's see, do the pen test for the pen loop. So let's have a look. There we go. That fits. So all of them should fit pretty easy. And it slips in really well and holds that well, which is good because it is elasticized. Pen loop will fit your normal sized pen barrels. Okay, it is really nice looking. I wouldn't mind carrying it in place of a purse. Yeah, I would carry this as a purse. So I know for me, I do use my Filofax as a purse. There we go. Now the ring capacity is 23 millimeter and the height is just 19 centimeters. The width is 13 centimeters and that has a depth of 3.5 centimeters. And it's Italian calf leather with a strap closure. So, and you saw all the different planner inserts. Now the website do say that the planner inserts may differ to what you see on their website and what you see from what I had shown you, so it can change along the way. If you are a Filofax lover or if you're enjoying the unboxing, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It'll help my channel. And of course, if you are new here, make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell so then you get notified of when I am on my live stream as well as new videos that I am putting up. Okay, so I am going to swap my planner inserts in here. So I'm moving from my special edition Molden in the charcoal into the Croc one. So there is a flip through of all the inserts that I have in here, but I'll do a quick one so then you guys know what I have. I'm going to see if I can do this in a efficient way without having to put the planner inserts one at a time. Okay, I did one side really well. So I do have, for those of you new to my channel, I create my own planner insert printable download, and that is available at MarianeCresp.com. And I have planner inserts for A5, Happy Planner Classic, big letter Happy Planner size, as well as some personal and pocket. So there we go. Did I do that correctly? Yes, let me just pop that in there. So now this will be my... Oh, ooh! Look how pretty that looks. That looks so cute. I love it. I love it. It looks nice, doesn't it? Especially look, if you work outside of the home and you are out and about. I mean, I would just go out to the coffee shop myself. Just so then I can have this, so then you can just like walk around with it. This has been, like I said, on my wish list for a long while. I always look at it on the website, even before I became a Filofax ambassador. Filofax was prestigious, a luxury item to have. This so pretty. I mean, I would just carry that like that. I'll just walk around the city, you know, carrying that. I love it. Yes, it is gorgeous. That's the word I was looking for. Make class. It is very classy. Love it. It is a luxury item, but if you're going to invest and you are use your planning for work, for home, to get yourself organized, to have something, it is a really lovely investment to have, and it's stylish and it is a very classy planner that you can pop in your bag. You won't need a big bag to have it in. So I've swapped out all my planner inserts. So I have this little dashboard you can pop in and out, a little cover sheet that you can update during a different season, or if you want to put some new pictures. And then these two here are your personal size pocket Filofax. So I put my little task cards in there. So these task cards help prompt me on different things, or you know, my morning routine, PM routine. This one is for getting stuff done, self-care. So here's another little dashboard, just little pictures and labels. And I've got my sticky notes. The things that are in here, 5-year journal section. I've got notes section for the notes I take when I'm reading my book. Got my today. So my today, I have to do today's one here. And then I've got my list of stuff, someday maybe stuff, projects list, YouTube stuff, grid paper, and all my different cards, and then my different stickers in here. Now I want to know, question of the day, who here already has Filofax as part of their planner lineup? So let me know in the comment section if you own a Filofax and which one, how are you using those planners. So let me know if you are a Filofax user already. Now let's talk about the price. It is a luxury item because this one is leather. On the Filofax.com US site, this at the time of this filming, it's at $280. So check out the Filofax for your country. So this cherry, this is the US site, okay? So this is Filofax.com, the US site. So cherry is the new color, and then you have it also in ebony. The next one is fawn, and then it's also available in the silver mist, and then you've got the chestnut, the one that I have showing today. So do be mindful that the color that you see may differ from what you get due to monitor resolutions, and of course because it is leather, that the patterns and the color may differ. So those are the colors available. So not all Filofax sites in different countries may have all of the colors available, so do check out filofax.com and you can do a drop down of which country that you will have on there. Now on the UK site, at the time of filming, the price of the classic Croc personal leather organizer is at £175, and what I can see, it's got the chestnut, the ebony, the fawn, the silver mist, and the cherry. Now if you are in Australia, the Australian Filofax site have only the chestnut and the fawn. The ebony and the silver mist is not available, it's sold out, and they don't have the 2024 version of the planner inserts yet. And at the time of this filming, the price for the Australian classic Croc personal leather organizer, it's at $409.95 Australian dollars. So like I said, it is a luxury items for a lot of people. However, if you like, your planner is your savior for a lot of things to keep you organized, it's a fun way for you to make sure that you are having me time and you enjoy beautiful things. And one of the 4 laws of behavior change, according to James Clear's book Atomic Habit, is make things pretty, because you're more likely to use it than not if it is pretty and attractive, because you'll be drawn to it. So those are the pricing that's available, and they do have other countries as well, so check out the price in your currency. And you know what I like about this is it's sitting pretty flat, even if it has this thing that can make it a little bit bulkier at the spine. But for me, it sits nice and flat on the desk, so this bit here is not flicking forward because the leather is a little bit softer. So if you are wanting to know whether does it sit flat, straight away it does. That is a big plus for me. So you've got the Croc, the Molden in ochre, and the special edition in charcoal. To watch the full live stream video and see the community's reaction, watch this video right here. See you in the next video.